Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can turn off background video in OSU. Now the fastest way to do this is to head over to your setting, and here you then want to type video, and there's going to be the bitmap, storyboard, or video. Now in this case it will only reset the storyboard or video to the default one, but if you want to simply disable the background itself, it's another step. So what you want to do is to head over to any level. Basically, it works all the same. And from here at the side of our screen, you could see the background dim. Just make sure that you have increase it to the highest possible. And same thing with this storyboarded video, make sure to disable it. We have the bitmap skin right here if you want to toggle that on or off. And from there, basically, we have disabled the video and the background of the level right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.